Let me show you the process of the filament refitting system. First, we insert the first filament. It will be sent. Then, we can insert the second filament. When the first filament passes through the T, the second filament will stop going forward. When our printer needs filament, the buffer will send it forward. It will stop when it is not needed. Now we simulate the printer, just like it is pulling this filament, and go forward slowly. Then, when it passes this T, then the other buffer starts working. Okay, let's do it again. Next, we repeat this process, and then it will continue to move forward. We can insert the other filament in advance, and then press the red button. By pressing this button, we keep the filament near the T. When this one is used up, the other filament will follow up immediately.